Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing about risk that an investor must analyze at the time of investing. So whenever we invest in a company, we only think about returns, but which is not correct. It is about the risk which has to be analyzed properly. Investing is all about managing risk, and if we manage your risk properly, a return will follow. Now the question arises, what is risk? Warren Buffett described risk as permanent loss of capital. So if we invest in a company at 100 rupees and if price goes down to 90 and if we sold out the share at 90 rupees, then that 10 rupees is a permanent loss of capital. So there can be n number of risks which can be associated with a company. There can be systematic as well as unsystematic risk, which is part and parcel of investing. And it is very hard to analyze all the risks associated with a company, but if we analyze all these three risk parameters, we will cover all the major risks that have been associated with an investment. Valuation risk. Investor need to understand that the multiple of the company can contract in future. So if you buy a share with a 100 PE multiple, it can go down to 10 PE multiple also. So you have to buy a company as low as possible. You don't have to overpay for a company. This usually happens in a euphoric times when we extrapolate earnings and we extrapolate multiples. But this doesn't continue when the interest rate goes up or inflation goes up. Like what happened in the dot-com bubble. Companies like Infosys or Wipro, which were trading higher than the 100 PE multiple, PE contracted, and it took almost 7 to 8 years for those companies to cross their dot-com highs. So these are great companies, but bought at a very high PE multiple. Earning risk. Investor must understand that earnings are cyclical. So most of the time people extrapolate earnings and feel that the revenue growth will continue, their margins will continue to expand, but this doesn't happen because the competition will kick in and the margin will also contract in future as the inflation goes up. This will impact margin of the company, so investor needs to be realistic while analyzing their earnings. Balance sheet risk. In business, profit and loss is transient, but balance sheet is the only permanent thing. So most of the people only looks at revenue growth, profit growth, ratios, but they don't look at balance sheet. So investor must look at the debt levels of the company, whether there is any related party transaction or any contingent liability that has been associated with the company. So next time if anyone advise you about any company, then first thing that you must ask is नीचे कितना जा सकता है rather than asking ऊपर कितना जाएगा. So in investing, if you can protect your downside risk, return will follow. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to our channel.